Hello, my name is Luis Davila, Business Development Manager for the Food Division of Starrett UK and Europe. We have developed an extensive range of the most sought-after meat and fish cutting bandsaw blades. Our manufacturing capabilities enable us to maintain control of the quality of the bandsaw blades right from the start of the manufacturing process. We utilize this expertise and our market knowledge to deliver bandsaw blades that optimize performance, increase yield, and minimize waste. Our range of bandsaw blades include meat cutter premium, meat cutter frozen, and carcass cutter. Similarly, we offer a diverse range of skinner blades that suit most machines in the industry. As manufacturers, we can deliver skinner blades of any other length required and ensure the highest quality standards. Our skinner blades are ideal for removing meat membranes, derining pork, and skinning fish. If you're interested in any of our products, please feel free to contact me anytime or get in touch through our website.